Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to monetize a small email list using HubSpot in 2025. Even if you don't have thousands of subscribers, the key is segmental and personalized. With HubSpot you can tag subscribers by interest or behaviors, then tailored offers instead of generic blasts. Even a few hundred engaged contacts can convert well if the content feels personal. You can also use HubSpot workflow automate nurturing, like sending value packet tips, then introducing a consulting session or a product at the right moment. Add clear calls to action and track clicks. What resonates? By treating your list like a VIP audience, you will turn a small group into a consistent revenue source. And that's it, how to monetize a small email list using HubSpot in 2025, even if you don't have thousands of subscribers. Thanks everyone for watching.